It's Woody. Bah, bah, bah. Let's get it, nigga. You know what it is. It's a freestyle. I'm smoking dope, I got a bad bitch. I'm riding around in the whip, that hoe she never said shit. These niggas broke, these niggas jokes, these niggas never had shit. Smoking on that dope, I swear to God, shut out my last wrist. You can get your ass flipped, the 40 then that mag switch. And every time I run out of bullets, that's when that mag switch. And boy, you can get bad quick, yeah, up on that cash shit. These niggas talking shit, I run up on them and just blast shit. 4.5 caliber, these niggas, they be amateurs. I'm 365, I got it tatted, nigga, like a calendar. These niggas talking shit, kill a producer, then a manager. Bleed blood on his flow and then blood all on his calendar. These niggas, they don't wanna compete. Man, I'm up in these streets, and every time they see me, niggas throw up the G's. But I slam the rates, take the heater, slam his face. I'm 7'4", that's 14. Flat boy, nigga K. I don't fuck with none of y'all. Fuck a rock to the box, claiming a rock to the box. The same shit got jock top. Nigga ain't with that. That chit chat got Big Mac. I'm riding around, nigga, don't get broke like a Kit Kat. These niggas say they want beef, cool. Now I'm on that fat shit. These niggas talking about they get money, leave them upset quick. I swear to God, I'm gone. I'm in my zone. I'm on that head shit. Matter of fact, magic track kick. I fucked up. Rest in peace, my nigga J-Do. I ran around. I'm talking about we doing drills like Halo. 4.5 hit his neck and give his ass a halo. And bitch, I'ma kill you. Even if they say no, I know I'm going to hell. For them doing life in jail. And every time these niggas see me, shoot the gun and they gon' tell. I don't fuck with Rockwell from 71st to the 73rd. And I be smoking on that shit. And it's fuck what you heard. Rest in peace, my nigga Bird. 6th Ward, they with the movement. Got Doom Squad, there's Hit Squad. My niggas, they be shooting, we saluting. Ballin', we be hooping. 079 MOB, yeah, we into it. Yeah, we in tune, boy, from late block to tape block. Fuck a A block, you Camp City, catch a face shot. And only thing you see is red dots and now his face hot. Make him hit the ground, I spray the parking lot up. Have a shootout in the club, and I got a 50 on me. Smoking dope, I got that 50 on me. Ran around the city, homie. Yeah, I keep that semi on me. If you get the looking crazy, I spray a titty, homie. Shots make them diddy bop. Yeah, I said diddy bop. And yeah, I got mini man. I'm probably who got 50 shot. And if she got your name on her chest, that's gonna get a titty shot. Nigga, I be smoking dope. You get it? I can't diddy bop. I don't like the dance. I just do that woody woo. And every time them niggas see me, they just want Lil Woody shoot. And I be smoking on that dope. And they be like, who is fam? But I blam. Rest in peace, my nigga face, and fuck Cam. When I catch you, I'ma stretch you. And they ain't no faggot shit. These niggas talking crazy. This Chirac, don't get them faggots hit. Tank, you a bitch, you on that faggot shit. Lip peers, walking around, you ain't in traffic, bitch, you somewhere tough, sucking on the nigga nuts. And every time I catch a op, bitch, I make her suck my nuts and lick it up. And then she lick it up, and then you call it stick it up. And every time I bust a nut, I make that bitch go pick it up. I'm a real nigga, I'm a dog. I be popping out like Gall Pound, nigga. I was locked for too long, but now I'm back, nigga. When they see my face, how the fuck they gon' react, nigga? Zebo called me up, I'm like, fuck it, let's do a track, nigga. When they got the Mac, nigga, fuck, get whacked with you. Niggas say they up in traffic, my niggas be stacking, ain't no cracking. Drop the rates, and I swear to God, boys cracking. And that's on face, and I be out here, I be posted, that's like every day. Fuck what they say, I'm smoking dope, and I do that for late. I just freestyle on face grade. That's little shit though.